Introducing the AutoShot wireless shot firing system, which is designed to work with both AutoStem rock-breaking cartridges and conventional explosives. Sequential firing sequences can be set in any desired pattern at intervals of 5 milliseconds between blast holes and rows and up to a maximum time frame of 30,000 milliseconds per blast. Simply follow these 5 easy steps. Step 1. Design and upload. Design the blast to your specifications using the AutoShot Blast Design software application. Upload the design to the controller unit, which will communicate wirelessly with the trigger units once initiated. Label the trigger units according to the drill design. This process can be performed off-site in the comfort of your office. Step 2. Charging and labeling of blast holes. Charge the blast holes according to your specifications. Mark each blast hole the same as the corresponding trigger unit. Blast holes can be charged with standard AutoStem cartridges or by using IEDs when preparing primers to blast with conventional explosives. Step 3. Connecting and initiation of trigger units. Place each trigger unit at its corresponding blast hole. Cut the lead wires to the required length. Remove approximately 10 mm of the insulation and connect to the trigger unit. Secure the trigger unit stand and clip the trigger unit onto the stand so that it remains firmly in an upright position. Connect all trigger units before switching any unit on by sliding the switch to the on position. A flashing red light will indicate when the trigger unit is active. Step 4. Comms check and arming of trigger units. Move to the blast position and switch on the controller unit. Turn the user key to the on position and run the comms check. Confirmation of all active trigger units will be displayed on the controller unit on completion of the comms check. Arm the trigger units by initiating the arm sequence. The flashing lights of the trigger units will turn to a solid light, indicating that the units are armed and ready to fire. Step 5. Firing the blast. When safe, initiate the firing sequence. A 10-second countdown before firing will commence as an added safety feature to abort the initiation should it be required for whatever reason. The blast will initiate according to the design once the countdown is completed. AutoShot is the next groundbreaking evolution to the blasting industry. No more surface-bound wiring or explosives accessories will be required, making AutoShot the safest, most effective, user-friendly initiation system on the market.